Hello everyone, my name is Matthew Yesid Martinez Gaviria. In this video, I present to you a resource created with Kahoot for English for a specific purpose. This resource combines meaningful learning, gamification, artificial intelligence, resource to improve key skills in the context university where the English is used for students of academic, for the English for academic purpose, paid course. Now I present this Kahoot has 8 questions that cover essential aspects of the EIP course: diagnostic, vocabulary, comprehension, speaking, and presentation, and the use of IA in the classroom. I will show you each question and explain the correct answer with its pedagogical justification. Let's start with. For the first question we have, what is important to conduct a diagnostic survey at the beginning of a EIP course? So we have 4 questions. To know students' favorite colors, to avoid planning lessons, and to choose random topics. But the correct question is to understand learners' levels and needs, because the initial assessments allow the course to be adapted to the students' real needs, and that's suggested by Hitchin and Waters, who assert that we are not machines, in that every teaching process must begin with the student's knowledge. So the blue is the correct answer. Okay, let's start with the second. The second side. Which word is more likely to appear in academic tests? Okay, the most important for academic tests is however, because academic vocabulary is a formal structure. However, sorry, is a common conjunction in science articles, uh, unlike gonna or waswan with are colloquial. So, however, is the correct answer. The question number 3 side. What is the one common feature on academic reading materials? The correct answer of this is structure arguments, because academic tests are organized around a thesis, evidence, or arguments. That's important. So the correct is structure arguments. The number 4 side. What strategy helps improve listening comprehension in academic settings? The correct answer is listen to academic lectures with IA general transcripts. That's important because the IA comes in a pedagogical tool, and, and the students can use the platforms like ChatGPT or YouTube, but with general subtitles to improve their understanding of accent in academic terminology. Okay, for the number 5, we can say, how can debates help in a course? For this case, the correct answer would be they help develop critical and thinking in academic specific. It's important because the debate strengthens critical thinking or argumentation and influences key skills for presentation in academic context. So the correct answer is they help develop critical thinking and academic speaking. Okay, for the question 6, we have, how can artificial intelligence support EIP learning? Okay, that's important. So the correct answer of this question would be by providing, sorry, by giving an instant feedback and general practice activity because AI tools like ChatGPT allows students to receive immediately corrections, create simulation, or for practice. That's important because encourage the autonomy of the students and the activity. For the question 7, what is a good tip when preparing for academic presentation? It's important we have the practice with AI tools like a voice assistant or Telegram. This is important because the IAs can use this voice for practice presentations, improving pronunciation, spacing, and confidence. Elements that one person can train in a week. So the correct answer is the B. Practice with AI tools like a voice assistant or Telegram. Okay, now we have the question 8. Why is simulation and university environment important in AIP course? That's important in academic context with an university environment because uh, the course with real life simulation prepared to the students for academic context abroad increases the confidence and abilities. So the correct answer for this question would be prepare prepare them for a real academic context abroad. Okay, this is all my records of the English for academic purpose. So I want to show you my general objective for this records. This seeks to improve academic skills in English, like reading, writing, listening, and speaking, in activity, participatory, and technological way, preparing students for the university environments or academic environments, academic environments with real recurse outlets. There's a linking with the reference we have like Huntington and Waters, 1918, and Jordan, which focus on specific learning needs. Uh, this is all my video for this recourse. Thank you for your time.